Kajal, be calm, take a deep breath. You can do it. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kajal Tolodkar and it will mean a lot to me if you just go down and subscribe to my channel. So coming back to the video, today's video is all gonna be about the struggles or challenges that we YouTubers or vloggers face when we try to shoot or vlog something. I'm gonna speak on, rather show you guys what are the actual or my personal experience maybe, so that you can get an idea what exactly we all new creators come across. So let's start the video. So the first one is the awkward public reaction. Wait, why don't I just show you guys? Okay, so I'll tell you about the struggle in the public. I already start getting those expressions. Also, it's very weird to मतलब ऐसे मैं रखूँ because सामने वाले को लग रहा है की मैं उनका समोरच्यांना वाटते की मी त्यांचा व्हिडिओ काढते पण असं नाहीच आहे. आणि ब्लॉगिंग इन मुंबई किंवा ब्लॉगिंग इन एनीवेअर इन द वर्ल्ड वेर यू हॅव सो मच ऑफ पब्लिक अराउंड इज स्टिल doubtful thing to do. So bro, you have a YouTube channel, right? Why don't you just get up and do something? Like, you are already late for 2 weeks and you haven't posted anything. What's wrong? वो क्या है ना, आज मेरा ना मूड नहीं है तो शायद मैं वो पोर्ट्रे ना कर पाऊँ, तो इसलिए आई जस्ट थॉट आई टेक अ लीव, थोड़ा ब्रेक एंड देन स्टार्ट ओवर बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू गिव दैट बैड वाइब्स. अरे वो क्या है ना, मेरे पास ना ट्राईपॉड नहीं है एंड ब्लॉगर्स के पास तो ट्राईपॉड्स होता है एंड कितना सारा अच्छा ये होता है, क्या बोलता है वो, इक्विपमेंट्स. एंड आई डोंट रियली हैव, आई हैव ओनली माई फ़ोन. तो फ़ोन वैसे भी चल जाए बट आई नीड ट्राईपॉड जस्ट टू स्टे स्टेबल कैमरा एंगल्स के साथ, वरना मेरा कंटेंट कोई नहीं देखेगा यार. सो आई जस्ट वेट फॉर सम टाइम एंड आई वेट फॉर माई ट्राईपॉड टू अराइव एंड देन आई स्टार्ट मेकिंग माई यूट्यूब वीडियोज़. यार मुझे नहीं लगता मेरे कोई वीडियोस देखना पसंद भी करेगा. लाइक मेरा कंटेंट तो बहुत न्यू है एंड मैं तो इतनी स्मॉल क्रिएटर हूँ, तो कौन देखेगा मेरा वीडियोस. और आई डू इज आई स्टॉप फॉर सम टाइम एंड लेट्स, मेरे जितने भी अभी तक वीडियो है शायद उस पर लोग सब्सक्राइब कर दें. आई एम नॉट फीलिंग मोटिवेटेड मैन, आई जस्ट डोंट नो मेरा कंटेंट कोई देखेगा अभी नहीं. लाइक आई समटाइम फील सो यूजलेस. ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने यूट्यूब वीडियो क्यों चालू किया यार, यूट्यूब चैनल क्यों चालू किया. Whatever it is, I need to start something. I'll do it. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kajal Tolodkar. In today's video, I'm gonna speak about. I'm not gonna speak about. I'm gonna tell you something. Okay, take 2. Hey guys, this is Kajal Tolodkar, and today. You can do it. You can do it. Hey guys, this is Kajal Tolodkar. Why I'm so fast? I just cannot do it. Number 3 is being one man army. Now, what I mean by this point is being a new creator or the YouTuber who has started, who has recently started, doesn't have any team or any manager to look upon the work they are doing to see whether the work done is perfectly done or not. One man army legit means you are the creator, you are the styler, and you will be the promotion team to promote your channel, your videos, and everything. You are the only one who are going to follow all steps by yourself to get your final output. And I know they are not that big YouTubers, but still they don't have any team or manager or anything. But still, at the end of the day, we are humans, right? So we kind of get frustrated and exhausted by doing all of these things all together by ourselves. So oh hi, I'm the makeup artist. Oops, sorry, I'm the editor. Hey, I do the setup. Hi, I'm the styler. Okay, rolling. Stop. I'm the camera woman. Moving on to the next one. Your perception is what your perception is. Let me explain you with an example. For example, if you saw an image or scenery that is completely amazing and just blowed your mind and you just want to take pictures, you exactly know what are the angles, what length it should be, or how long your video should be, right? On the other hand side, if you ask a third person or your friend or anyone to take that shot according to your perception, it becomes difficult for the another person to just click or capture that moment according to your perception or your point of view. Okay, so here's when the problem arises. Bottom of the line is it becomes hell difficult for you to explain at times to the opposite person to take or capture you in the moment, in the way you have decided. So yes, being one man army or just being the only creator, and you if you want someone to just capture in the moment, it becomes very much difficult to make them understand that भाई मुझे ये फ्रेम में ऐसे चाहिए और वो फ्रेम में ऐसे. Upload and Insta stories, hashtag support artist, hashtag grow artist, hashtag artist, hashtag uploaded. हेलो राजुक्ता, अच्छा सुन ना, मैंने ना अपना न्यू वीडियो अपलोड किया है, तो तू अपनी स्टोरी पे डाल सकती है क्या प्लीज़? थोड़ा प्रमोट कर देना यार प्लीज़. ओके ओके, थैंक यू. हेलो निखिल, सुन ना, मैंने ना एक न्यू वीडियो डाला है, अभी जस्ट डाला है. सो विल यू डू मी अ फेवर प्लीज़? तो अपनी स्टोरी या फिर अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना प्लीज़, मुझे थोड़ा सपोर्ट भी मिल जाएगा यार. So this is how I actually do when I upload a video. It becomes very difficult for you to get that kickstart from your audience and gain that audience, that views or all that traffic from your audience. So here is when all the game starts. Here is when you'll realize कौन अपना है and कौन पराया. And गज़ब की बात ये है कि these people might support the glamorous artists or celebs, but who doesn't even actually care your ass even exist, but denied supporting your friends or people like me because देखा नहीं जाता straight words में. So yeah, काफ़ी frustrating. Okay, so number 6 is unaware of the perfections. Here I'll tell you my experience. Whenever I try to record something or try to film any vlog or any video, I just go for one take and max to max 3 to 4 takes. But the problem here is I just don't know about the perfections or how perfect it is or it might be, because I don't really focus on just how my video will get perfect, but I focus on how the script will get completed. So this is where all the problem arises, and not only me, there might be more and many of us, many like me on in this platform where they usually think about completing the script and not just focusing on their perfection. Usually people do this because they don't really have a proper guidance or that expert person who just can see your video and tell you whether this video is right or not, whether this part of the video is correct or this part of the video should not be just uploaded or anything like that. And we small creators usually do not have any person like this to always rely on and ask for help or guidance for each and every video we post for. So yes. Wow, Nikhil has uploaded a new video. Should I make some interesting videos like him? Just like him? But I don't have a bike. Lol. Wow, Harshila has so amazing introduction. I think I should start speaking like her. राजुदा के एंड स्क्रीन में भी कितना मस्त वीडियो आता है. I think I should do that. यार दोनों के जैसे I'll prank someone. है ना? I'll prank my best friend. Best. Sorted. So that's how you compare yourself with others and end up using no brains. And this is how we new creators end up doing nothing and just feel no motivation but to copy and recreate the same videos that others have already created. I bet there would be no single creator who has ever in his life has compared himself or herself to the other creator, and come on, that's common, right? And that's how we grow. Okay, I was just kidding. Okay, so when I started my YouTube, I remember I used to just, after uploading my video, I just used to go to the creators or the channels or videos and just, compare their content with my content, and what all things I should be putting in my video, or what are the things they are doing better than me. So comparisons might be challenging at times, because that will probably ruin your vibes that you want to create, and you might end up creating something shit, because you really want to create something what other creators are doing, and that might, just ended up doing nothing for your channel. So I just feel comparisons are also the biggest challenges that we newcomers face in this field. Last but not the least, the unstoppable criticism. People usually like to criticize more than support anyone, like people like us who really needs their support. But what they really give us is hatred and criticism, and just, try to make us down by any means possible. And these people literally make a point that you don't really grow. I still remember when I uploaded my first YouTube video, that was an introduction wherein I haven't spoke anything, but it was just a musical video where I just, moved around and showed that it is my new start on this platform. So I remember a guy texting me that, "Oi, where is your content? ये content इसको content नहीं बोलते." Like, I was like, dude, if you can understand the difference between the first video, that is the trailer of the video or channel trailer, then you might understand what the difference about these two things are. So I just felt so bad, like people don't even know what actually the difference of such things are, and start commenting or just start DMing or messaging you like, dude, you're not doing great, you're not doing this, you're not doing that, blah blah blah. So this is the never ending thing that we new creators are going to get rid of. So yes. Okay, so that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, then please go and subscribe down, and it will really mean a lot to me, because I'm a new creator, and if you are a new creator too, you'll realize what efforts and what struggles we all come across. And yes, I'll soon upload another video, come up with another video where I'll answer, or just tackle few questions, or just some topics that we new creators should do when we start a new video. I know I'm a small creator and doing such huge videos, but it's okay. It's okay to start rather than doing nothing. Okay, so that's all for today, and if you guys enjoyed it, then please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and bye.